So just a reminder what energy pyramids do, why we use them. They show the amount of energy. They show the amount of energy. And it shows that it decreases as you go through the food chain. Okay, this is like a vertical food chain. We have our grass, which is eaten by the cricket, which is eaten by the bird, and the bird is eaten by the snake. So this is really a vertical food chain. I want you to think about all the grass blades in the world. It's a lot, okay? That's why there's so much available energy down here. There's so much grass all over the world. Plants, trees, shrubs, vegetables, okay? That's a lot. And then I want you to think of how many snakes there are in the world. Definitely not as many as grass blades or plants, okay? And the reason why there aren't as many snakes as there are plants is because the higher you go through the food chain, the less available energy there is. So there's only enough energy for a certain amount of organisms that are high up in the food chain. And this is because as you go through, like when this grasshopper eats the grass, it's only going to absorb 10% of all the energy that's in this grass. Okay? Only 10% goes to the next organism. So where does that other 90% go? If this cricket is only getting 10% of this patch of grass, where did the other 90% go? Well, you have to remember that the grass has to live and reproduce. Okay? 90% of energy in organisms go to movement and digestion. Okay? Among other things, reproduction and things like that. Okay? And so when energy, that chemical energy, is being converted to help the organism move and grow and reproduce and do the life processes, it gets converted into thermal energy. Okay? So this bird will eat this grasshopper, and that bird is only going to get 10% of the energy that this grasshopper has. And where does that other 90% go? To life processes. And because of that, it gets converted into thermal energy. Okay? So this snake is going to eat this bird. The snake is only going to get 10%. Where does that other 90% go? Into life processes and gets transferred or converted into thermal energy.